Hi friends, welcome to Gardening is My Love. In this brand new episode, let me present before you Kali Musli. It's an endangered flowering plant species that go with the botanical name Curculio orchoides, and it belongs to the Hypodiaceae family. It's a tuberous perennial herb with short or elongated roots bearing numerous fleshy lateral roots. The flowers bloom in the month of June to August and shed leaves in the winter, leaving behind the root in the ground. It grows widely as a forest herb, and since time immemorial, it is used as folk medicine. However, in several regions of India, due to its overutilization, Kali Musli is slowly becoming uncommon. Every part of this medicinal herb has been utilized for several purposes. Now, let me bring several synonyms of Kali Musli in different Indian languages. Hindi, naturally, it is called as Kali Musli. Bengali, Sada Murali. In Gujarati, Kali Musli. In Kannada, it is Neladali, Nelatenga. In Malayalam, Nilappanaikilangu. In Marathi, Bui Maddi. In Punjabi, Saifu Masali. In Tamil, Nelapanaikilangu. In Telugu, it is Nallatudi or Nelatadai. Let me now tell you about the Ayurvedic indications of Kali Musli. The holistic science of Ayurveda recognizes this medicinal herb as a powerful Rasayani Dravya, with several scriptures mentioning it. Vrisha, that is, it improves vigor. Rasayan, it is promoting anti-aging. Brimhana, it increases weight. Daha, it treats gastritis. High Pitta, disorders. Balya, improves muscle strength. Now let me present you the various health benefits of Kali Musli. It promotes male reproductive health. It is very beneficial to increase the sperm count. Taking this supplement on a regular basis helps to correct premature ejaculation and improves vitality owing to its Vrisha and Balya properties. Now, secondly, it remedies urinary tract infection. It is usually offers relief from burning sensation in the urine and increases urine output due to its diuretic property. Thirdly, and the most important use, it augments liver health. Jaundice or any other conditions affecting the liver due to an imbalance of Pitta dosha. Kali Musli is a potential medicinal supplement for regulating liver problems like swelling in the liver, jaundice, poor liver function, etc. It improves women's health. Kali Musli is an amazing herbal medicine suggested for women who are going through menopause. The goodness of bioactive compounds helps to avoid osteoporosis and strengthens the muscle mass. Next, it boosts skin complexion. The rhizome of Kali Musli is grounded into fine paste and applied externally to the skin, which works incredibly well in curing eczema and other skin diseases. It uplifts the skin's glow and complexion. Next, it strengthens immunity. Kali Musli is highly effective in improving general debility. The Rasayana nature of this herb supports building robust immune system and strengthens the body. There is a difference between Safed Musli and Kali Musli. Safed Musli is largely grown and used for its powerful aphrodisiac nature, while Kali Musli is becoming rare due to its overexploitation. Now, what is the dosage that you should take of Kali Musli? The appropriate dosage may differ from person to person depending upon their age, the severity of the disease, and other health conditions. It's always best to consult with an Ayurvedic practitioner before having it. General dosage is 2 to 3 gram with honey or milk. Side effects. When taken in appropriate dosage, Kali Musli is well tolerated and does not have any side effects. People with Kapha dosha should take this in minimal doses. A few precautions. During pregnancy or lactation period, it is recommended that breastfeeding and pregnant women should avoid using this herbal extract without medical supervision. So this is a medical herb which is magical in nature. Thank you for watching this episode. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like and share, and also press the bell button. Your one like will motivate me to come up with the more such videos. Thank you.